Design a finite automata which will accept all the strings end with zeros. First of all, we will write down the language for this one. What are the different possible strings within the given language? What is the constraint here? All the strings ending with 0 over the input alphabet 0, 1. I want to design a automata which will accept all the strings that are ending with 0. Okay, over the input alphabet 0, 1. What are the different possible strings within this language? 0 is ending with 0. 10 is a valid string. 110 is a valid string. 00 is a valid string. 11 or 1110, 000. So like this, all the binary numbers that will end with 0 is a valid here. Okay, so first we written the language. How to construct finite automata? Let's see. Whatever the minimum string within the language, consider that string. First construct finite automata for that one. Okay, construct finite automata for that one. Here I am using one tool, JFLAP, for designing a finite automata. Here Q0 is a initial state I am considering, then Q1. What is the minimum string here? 0. So Q0 on 0, it is moving to the Q1 state. Now here I am making Q0 as a initial state and Q1 as a final state. It will accept 0. That's fine. Q0 on input 0, it will go to the Q1. Whether it will accept 10, whether it will accept 10, no. Q0 on 1, there is no transition. We need to define the transition. Whether it need to move to the Q1 state or it need to resides within the Q0 state only. That we need to decide. If Q0 on 1, if it move to the Q1 state, what will happen? 1 is also accepted. But within the language, there is no string 1. So this transition is invalid. So what is the another option? Q0 on 1, it will resides within the Q0 state only. Now 10. Q0 on 1, Q0. Q0 on 0, Q1. Now 10 is accepted. 110 is also accepted. Okay. Now design the transition. Q0 on 1 resides within the same state. Now whether 00 is accepted, Q0 on 0 it will come to Q1 state. Q1 on 0 we are not defined anything. So Q1 on 0 it will resides within the same state. Why? If Q1 on 0 if it go to Q0 state, 00 is not going to be accept. Okay. So Q1 on 0 it will resides within the Q1 state only. Now it is in the final state, so 00 is accepted. 00, 000, whatever it may be. If it is ending with 0, it is accepting. Q1 on 1, if it resides within the same state, what will happen? 01 is also accepted, but 01 is not a valid string. What we need to do? Q1 on 1, it will go to Q0 state. Now let's take any string that will end with 0, it will accept. Let's take any string that will end with 1, it will reject. Okay. If you want to verify it by supplying the inputs. Here I am giving 1100. So this string is ending with 0. Let's check it. Initially it is in the Q0 state. Q0 on 1, it is moving to the Q0 state only. So first input is done. So Let's check here. Initially it is in the Q0 state. What is the input string we given? 1100. So currently 1100 on the input tape. At a tape header will read at a time one symbol. Currently tape header will read the first symbol 1. Q0 on 1, it will resides within the Q0 state only. Okay, Q0 on 1, it will resides within the same state. Okay, again now it will read this one, Q0 on 1, again it will resides within the same state, 00. Q0 on 0, it will go to Q1 state. One more 0 is there. So Q1 on 0, finally it will reach to the Q1 state. Q1 is a final state. So given string is accepted by our automata. Let's take the another example. Q0 over the input 001. Automata need to reject it. Q0 on 0, it will go to Q1 state. Q0 on 0, it will go to Q1 state. Now 01 is the remaining input. Q1 on 0, it will go to Q1 state only over the input 1. Q1 on 1, it will go to Q0 state. So currently it is in the Q0 state. There is no further inputs. It means given string, automata is rejected the given string. This is not belonging to language which will end with 0. Okay. Let's test here. Q0 on 1, it moved to the Q0 state. Again, second step, Q0 on 1 within the same state. Now Q0 on 0, Q0 on 0, it moved to the Q1 state. Last step. So Q1 on 0, it moved to the Q1 state only. Finally, it is in the final state. So given input string is accepted by our automata. Okay. Now write down the transition table. We designed a transition diagram. Now we need to write down the transition table and transition functions for given automata. What is the transition table? Here Q0 and Q1. Input symbols 0, 1. Here Q1 is a final state. Q0 on 0, it is going to the Q1 state. Q0 on 1, it is moving to the, it will resides within the same state. Q1 on 0, it is moving to, it will resides within the same state. Q1 on 1, it is moving to the Q0 state. This is a transition table. Now write down the transition functions. For each and every automata, we need to write down the transition table and transition functions. Q0 on 0, Q1. Q0 on 1, Q0. Q1 on 0, Q1. Q1 on 1, Q0. This is a transition. These are the transition functions. This is a transition table. This is a transition diagram for the given language. All the strings that are ending with zeros.